Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Awesome Codings. I am Ansh Singhal welcoming you to my channel, back with a new video in the J.A.R.V.I.S playlist. So in this video we are going to define a function to our J.A.R.V.I.S which will help us to send an email using J.A.R.V.I.S. So let's start. Before that guys, if you haven't accessed our playlist on the J.A.R.V.I.S, access it now, save it anywhere and watch every video I've uploaded on it. So I'm back in my Visual Studio Code. Here I am to send an email. So we have to use the PyWordKit module to send an email. Before that, come back to your Google Chrome and go to your account settings, the Gmail account you have logged in. Now search for less secure apps here. Yeah, there are less secure apps you can see, and then turn this on. It will be off in your system. Turn this on, it will be necessary to send emails. Now get back to Visual Studio Code. Here I am now, code like this I am giving it here. Elif mail or email in string, email inquiry, then PyWordKit, actually not PyWordKit, say please enter your, not your, sender's email address, sender's email address in terminal. Yeah, as for security purpose I am getting it in terminal. Now input and save it in a variable. Let it be anything you want. I am using sender equals to, and then I will blur the parts of my email and password also. We need password. Don't worry, it is safe. It will not do anything bad with your password and email. Now take the password, say enter your password, enter your password. It is needed or necessary. Is necessary. I think I have not mistaken the spelling. Anything you can do it. I am using needed. Don't worry, it is safe. Don't worry, it is safe. Then input again, password equals to input, then parenthesis. Yeah, now say please tell the subject of email. Now subject or sub is equals to listen. We can give it as it is not a security purpose, and then say please enter the message or say the message or speak the message, and then msg or uh, anything, content, yeah, content equals to listen, then parenthesis. Correct the spelling. Wait a second. Yeah, now say please enter receivers email in terminal. Here also in terminal, because of security purposes. Now uh, receiver equals to input. Now py_what_get dot send underscore mail, and then the sender, comma, now the password, so password, comma, subject, so sub, or yeah, we have made it sub, comma, here the message, so content, and then comma the receiver, so receiver. Yeah, now let's check if any other thing is left. No, nothing is left. Yeah, now we have to check the code. Let's run it. Yeah.
Good afternoon, user.
Yeah, good afternoon,
I am
Jarvis.
J.A.R.V.I.S made by Mr. Ansh Singhal. How may I help you?
Send an email, please.
Please enter sender's email address in terminal.
Okay.
Enter your password in terminal. It is needed. Don't worry, it is safe. Please tell the subject of email.
Hello.
Please speak the message.
Hello there. This is a test message.
Please enter receiver's email in terminal.
Okay. Uh, yeah. Oh. Email sent successfully. As you can see, email sent successfully. Let me show you the email. Here you can see, guys, the email is here. Hello, there is a test message. So this is the email function of our J.A.R.V.I.S. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you understand it. I will provide you the code in the description, the link of the code, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this video, and like this video, and please comment down. Thank you.